Good morning, students. We are in note making chapter. Previous class we have discussed about acronyms, contractions and some short forms, right? Now let us continue with that. Some other contractions. Some other contractions. CONTRACTIONS. So previous class we have discussed about contractions. What was contractions? Taking first few letters of the word. So there are some contractions we will discuss. What is that? As for example, some other contractions, right? As for example, A oblique C, B L D G, B K S, CAN apostrophe T, CIVIL apostrophe ZN, ORG apostrophe ZN, CMFOR. Now what are these? A oblique C is account, BLDG is building, BKS is books, CAN apostrophe is cannot, CIVIL apostrophe ZN is civilization, right? Next is organization, right? Next is comfortable. Next word is C oblique O EDN KG M CM RDNG SHAN apostrophe T WON apostrophe T and N oblique A. C oblique O is care of. EDN is education. KG is kilogram. M is meter. CM is centimeter. RDNG is reading. SHAN apostrophe T is shall not. WON apostrophe T is will not. N oblique A is not applicable. Not applicable, right? So these are some other contractions, right? Contractions is what? Taking first few letters of the word. So you have taken, this is account, BLDG, first few letter, that is building, BKS is books, CN apostrophe T is cannot. CIVIL apostrophe ZN is civilization. This is organization. Comfortable. Care of, education. Kilogram, meters, centimeters. Reading. Shall not, should not, will not, would not, and oblique is not applicable. Clear? So these were the short forms or abbreviations we have understood in this chapter. Now let us come to the question point. Clear? What sort of questions are asked in related to this chapter? Clear? Questions asked students. Clear? Now questions. Question number 8. On the basis of your reading what? Reading the given passage. Reading of the passage, make notes on it using recognizable abbreviations. Wherever necessary. Clear? Next, use a format you consider suitable. Consider suitable, right? Next is give a suitable title to the given passage. Right? So this is question A. On the basis of your reading, क्या reading करना है? Passage. Reading of the given passage. Make a notes. That is note making. Right? Note making is otherwise known as what? Note making is otherwise known as what, students? Abstractions, right? So make a note on it using recognizable abbreviations जो हमने आपको पढ़ाया. Wherever necessary, जहाँ पे ज़रूरी है. Use a proper format, जो format मैंने note making के लिए आपको बताया है. You consider to be suitable. Now give a suitable heading, that is title, to the given passage, right? This was question number A. Now come to question number B. Write a summary of the given passage. ये दो क्वेश्चन रहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. सेम पैसेज से आपको नोट्स बनाना है, उसी सेम पैसेज से आपको समरी राइटिंग भी बनानी है, राइट. दो पार्ट में क्वेश्चंस डिवाइडेड रहेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, इन विच नोट मेकिंग विल बी अलाउड, कि आप उस पैसेज से आप नोट्स बनाएं. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, उसी पैसेज से आपने समरी राइटिंग भी तैयार करनी है, राइट. क्लियर है. नाउ नोट मेकिंग, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज नोट मेकिंग, कैसे नोट्स आपको बनाने हैं. मैंने आपको फॉर एब्रीविएशंस भी बताया है, फॉर्मेट भी बताया है, एंड सुटेबल टाइटल और हेडिंग भी बताया है, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज समरी. आप नोट मेकिंग में मेन पॉइंट्स लेते हो, राइट. दैट मेन पॉइंट्स इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नोट्स, राइट, इन द प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. वही मेन पॉइंट्स को अगर आप सेंटेंसेस में लिख दोगे, दैट इज कम्स अंडर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ समरी राइटिंग. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द एग्जाम्पल्स.